Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So Webull has officially launched their fractional share investing feature. So now you could buy eligible stock for as little as $5. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So at this point, I'll just assume you know how to deposit money onto Webull. If not, feel free to check out one of my other tutorials, but I wanted to keep this video short and sweet. So here we are under the markets tab. As you can see along the very bottom, you'll see multiple tabs. So we're under markets, and at the top right, we're going to search for the stock that we want to buy a fractional share of. So top right, click on that magnifying glass, and let's type in SPY. So SPY is basically just the S&P 500. Click on SPY at the very top. So we can see that each share of SPY is $437 at the very moment. So I'm only going to buy $5 worth of SPY. Along the very bottom left, you'll see the trade button. So click on trade, and we're going to scroll down a little bit. And right now, how fractional shares works on Webull, you can only buy it via market order. So under order type where it says limit, you're going to click on that, and you'll see under simple orders, you'll see multiple options, limit, market, and under market, you'll see fractional shares trading enabled. So that means that this share is eligible to buy fractional shares of. So we're going to click on market, and under order type, you'll see in blue whole share. So I could either buy 2 whole shares of the stock, which would be $874, or I could click on where it says whole share in blue. You could click on that and it will change to fractional share. So again, you could just click on it again, go back to whole share, or click on it for fractional share. So now I have to type in the amount of fractional shares I want to buy. So I'm not sure how much $5 is going to be in fractional shares. So we're just going to type in the plus, keep hitting the plus button, see what happens. And I can see it's going to be a little while until I actually hit $5. So let me just go in here, type in maybe like 3.03. And how much is that? So along the very bottom, you'll see that 0.003 is only $1.35. So we're just going to increase that again. So let's do it at this point, 0.02 worth of SPY. It has an estimated amount of $8.75. That works for me. At this point, I'm going to buy $8.75 worth of SPY, or the fractional share of 0.02. So I'm going to hit buy, and then I just have to read this agreement about fractional shares. And once you've read the agreement, click I agree if you agree with the terms. And at this point, I can see that I am buying 0.02 shares of SPY, and the estimated cost amount is $8.75. So I'm going to click on confirm. And just like that, I have bought 0.02 shares worth of SPY at the average cost of $437.43. So going back into my portfolio, as you can see, I have 0.02 shares of SPY in my portfolio. And if you want to sell your fractional shares, you just go into the fractional share that you want to sell. So click on SPY in this instance, and then I'm going to click close and scroll down here. So you type in the amount of fractional shares you have in that stock, and instead of buy, you see sell, and you're going to be selling the stock via market order. So you just type in the max amount of fractional shares you have. At the very bottom, hit sell. I'm actually going to hold on to my fractional share of SPY at the moment, but that in a nutshell is how you buy and sell fractional shares on Webull. So if this video helped you out, feel free to use my Webull referral link. If you sign for a Webull account, you and I will both get at least 2 free stocks. Be sure to read the agreement and everything after you click on my referral link. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit that like button. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.